Hello, and welcome to Kitchenesia. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the top 10 mistakes to avoid when designing a modern kitchen, because your kitchen should be as beautiful and functional as possible. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just refreshing your space, these tips will help you create a kitchen that feels warm, inviting, and perfectly suited to your lifestyle. So stick around and watch until the end. You won't want to miss any of these helpful ideas that can transform your kitchen experience. Imagine stepping into a sleek modern kitchen where soft, warm lighting gently highlights the clean white cabinetry and matte black hardware. The natural wood flooring adds a cozy touch, while large windows let in just the right amount of sunlight to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. It's a perfect balance of elegance and comfort designed just for you. Picture an elegant kitchen island with a smooth marble top surrounded by muted sage green cabinets. Soft under-cabinet lighting casts a soothing glow on delicate textured wallpaper, while vintage-inspired pendant lights add a charming touch. This space blends classic sophistication with modern simplicity, making every moment here feel special and relaxed. Bright and airy, this kitchen features high-gloss cream cabinets paired with a matte charcoal backsplash in geometric patterns. Warm oak floors balance the cool tones, while soft pastel accents add a gentle pop of color. It's a fresh, inviting space that feels effortlessly stylish and comfortable for your everyday life. Imagine a contemporary kitchen where two-tone cabinetry in dove gray and warm taupe creates a soothing palette. Sleek stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly, and LED strip lighting adds a modern touch beneath the counters. Natural linen curtains frame large windows, bringing in gentle light that makes this space feel timeless and welcoming. Step into a spacious kitchen with light blue shaker cabinets and brushed nickel fixtures. White subway tiles with dark grout add visual interest, complemented by warm walnut flooring. Soft ambient lighting creates a calm atmosphere, while open shelves showcase elegant glassware, making this kitchen both functional and beautiful. This modern kitchen features matte black cabinetry paired with warm wood accents and polished concrete countertops. Minimalist pendant lights with brass details cast a soft glow, while ivory walls add subtle texture. The farmhouse sink with a brushed gold faucet brings charm and warmth to a space designed for both style and ease. Imagine soft blush pink cabinets paired with crisp white quartz countertops and brushed brass hardware. Warm honey-toned hardwood floors ground the space, while large windows with Roman shades filter gentle light. An understated floral wallpaper accent wall adds feminine warmth, creating a kitchen that feels chic, cozy, and inviting. Open concept and serene, this kitchen has warm gray cabinets and a white marble backsplash with delicate gray veining. Integrated smart appliances keep the look sleek, while layered lighting and natural jute rugs add texture and depth. It's a peaceful, uncluttered space designed for comfort and modern living. Step into a kitchen with soft cream cabinetry and matte black fixtures, where a dark wood butcher block island becomes the centerpiece. Warm amber lighting from vintage-style sconces creates a cozy ambience, while textured plaster walls add rustic charm, blending classic elegance with modern touches you'll love. Bright and fresh, this kitchen features pale mint green cabinets and white marble countertops. Brushed nickel hardware complements the light oak flooring, while large windows with linen curtains flood the space with soft natural light. Subtle botanical prints add a calming touch, making this kitchen a serene retreat. Imagine warm beige cabinetry accented with matte black hardware and soft gray quartz countertops. Layered lighting, from recessed to pendant fixtures, adds warmth to the natural wood flooring. Open shelves display vintage pottery, creating a space that blends modern function with timeless comfort, perfect for your daily routines. This modern kitchen showcases soft lavender cabinetry paired with shimmering white quartz countertops and brushed gold hardware. Pale gray textured walls and warm wood flooring complete the look, while frosted glass pendant lights add a gentle glow. It's an elegant, soothing space designed with your comfort in mind. Picture muted teal cabinets with a white marble backsplash veined in gold, paired with a warm wood island and matte black fixtures. Soft natural light filters through curtains, while a neutral geometric rug adds subtle pattern, creating a harmonious kitchen where color and texture come together beautifully. This contemporary kitchen features warm white cabinetry with dark granite countertops and matte black hardware. Layered lighting includes recessed ceiling lights and under-cabinet LEDs, while warm wood flooring and minimalist open shelving with curated ceramics create a clean, inviting space perfect for everyday living. Soft gray-green cabinets pair with white quartz countertops and brushed nickel hardware in this warm kitchen. Beige textured walls and natural oak flooring add cozy warmth, while amber glowing pendant lights provide inviting illumination. It's a balanced, modern space that feels both fresh and welcoming. Imagine a bright kitchen with soft ivory cabinetry and warm wood countertops. Matte black fixtures add contrast, while natural light pours in through sheer curtains. A textured neutral rug and open shelving with tasteful glassware create a refined yet inviting atmosphere where you'll love spending time. This modern kitchen features muted terracotta cabinets with white quartz countertops and brushed brass hardware. Warm wood flooring and layered lighting, including pendant and recessed fixtures, enhance the space. A subtle botanical wallpaper accent wall adds earthy elegance, creating a kitchen that's both stylish and comforting. Thank you so much for watching. We've covered some important mistakes to avoid so your modern kitchen can be both stylish and practical. Remember, thoughtful design makes all the difference, from choosing the right colors and lighting to balancing function and beauty. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchenesia for more inspiring ideas, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and can't wait to see you in the next video.